Hey y'all, I'm back. How my chocoholics doing today? It's me and I'm back with another mukbang. As a red cup mukbang. And I'm doing something new tonight. And that's crawfish. So if you know me, if you've been watching me for a while, then you know that I don't do food with a face. Okay? So, crab, a whole crab, I don't do. Crawfish, I don't do. I tried one time fish with a face still attached. It was good, but I was in that scared. I've never eaten crawfish in my life, but the way Cuzzle AB be making that crawfish look, it be looking so good. So I was like, you know what? I'ma try. But I had to get drunk first. If I'm rambling, don't pay me no mind. I'm up. I'm up this time. Potato got burnt. I boiled the water out the potato. Like it literally was burning at the bottom of a pan. And that's how much I had to drink. So I have potatoes. I have some butter sauce. Some roaches. Some red peppers. Some cucumbers. Eggs. And some crawfish. I don't have a lot because I ain't never ate them. I don't know how they taste. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to eat one. Every time I look down and see them beady black eyes, I get freaked out. And all them legs like spiders. I cannot take it, but we gonna try. Okay. Let's get started. If my makeup look up, don't say nothing. If my food look up, don't say nothing. If you see me drooling anything, don't say nothing. I'm up. Okay. First, we're going to try a little bit more. Just drink a drink. Cheers. Okay, sis. I see you. Okay, bro. I'm going to try a bite of everything first before this crawfish. Did I say these was red peppers? I can't even remember. I don't even remember. Red peppers is hot too. That's all I probably end up eating. Cucumber. Egg. Look at this. I goddamn destroyed this potato. I don't know if y'all can see. This just flopping. Look at this. Oh well. Oh goddamn! This disintegrated. This damn potato disintegrated in the damn. This gonna be a mess. God damn it, this gonna be a mess. That potato was good. Okay. All right. Let me drink a little bit more because I'm gonna have to be up in order to enjoy this. Okay. So first of all, I don't even want to touch them. My God. Okay. Come on. I could do this. All right. Okay. I literally did not touch these in this entire process. I did not touch them with my hands at all. So this will be the first time that I touch them with my hands. I'm looking at them too long, and I'm about to just get turned off and start eating other stuff. Cause I can't do it. I don't know, y'all. I want to taste them so bad. My sis Cuzzo be making it look so good, you know, y'all. I know y'all seen Cuzzo eat the crawfish, and she just be cracking, sucking the head, and eating the ass, and I just can't. And red pepper's good. All right, let me take another sip of the red gap, and hopefully I get a little bit of liquid courage. Okay, here we go. God damn it! I don't know. Okay. Bam. Okay. 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 Here we go. I can do this, mother. Y'all see? Is this how it's supposed to look? Because I don't know. It got claws. What the am I doing? Okay. I need like somebody here. Okay. Pop the head off. Oh my God. It's so, Jesus Christ, it's soft. Give me the damn plate. I could do this though. I'm brave. Okay. Jesus, oh my Lord. Okay. This just ain't sitting right with me. Do that shit. I got to like, okay, let's pretend this is a angry Karen calling the cops on me just for being black. I can't. Okay, let me see what y'all be sucking though. Oh my Lord. Okay. No, ma'am. Okay. So, okay. Here go the rest of the body, right? Y'all peel the legs off. I just gotta get used to it. Peel the legs off. Okay, so the tail came out. I know it's like a little string that's supposed to come out too. Okay. Oh my God. Jesus. I don't think that's how it's supposed to go. I feel like it's supposed to be a little string that's supposed to come out. I don't want to eat no noodle rings. I don't want to eat. What is that? I don't know. I'm so... Okay, like this string's supposed to come out or something, right? Okay, the string gone. Yeah, see? I'm a mess. Okay, let's dip it. I gotta dip it. Okay. It's good. It is good. Alright. I need the motherfucking G up. You know, I'm gonna eat this potato because this potato is so bomb. My God. And eat this egg. And then I'm gonna go in. I promise I'm going in on them crawfish. Alright. I ain't gonna promise, but I try. I'm gonna try. I need somebody here to help me, cause I'm not finna do this. I can't. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. I can't waste the whole red pepper falling. I can't waste the whole video just eating vegetables and shit. Right? Right? Okay. I don't know why the body gotta feel like this. Okay. Come on. Oh my Lord. Okay. 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 Peel around that leg. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Like it's nothing. Okay. It's like a baby ass shrimp. It's doo-doo in there. It's doo-doo. There's doo-doo in there. This got to be doo-doo. I know it is. I know what doo-doo look like. See? I know what doo-doo look like. Okay. Whatever, ho. Let's keep it moving. This video. It's too much work. Y'all suck the head. I'm not sucking that. It's only one head I'm sucking, and it ain't crawfish. Okay, peel this right. Why is it do? I can't. I can't. Oh, what? Like I want that little string to come out. How y'all be doing? You know what I'm saying? Somebody gotta teach me. I just cannot do stuff with a face, y'all. It's good. I mean, it's a different. I don't know. I don't even know what to think right now. I really don't. I really don't. I really don't. Eating sauce off my lap. My potato. I'm drunk. I'm really drunk. But it's helping. Because I know for a fact, if I was sober, ain't no way I'm gonna eat these crawfish. Ain't no goddamn way. Let's eat him. His ass been in my face all this whole. Jesus, his head ain't coming off. I don't want to touch his. Oh, bitch. No. All right. How y'all just be putting this to your mouth? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I know y'all so disappointed in me right now, but look, this is my first time. I don't eat crawfish. Okay. I don't eat crawfish. Okay, well at least it's easier to take off than shrimp, because shrimp, I don't like, look, If you come and eat food from me, I cleanse my food off. All of it. It's going to get thoroughly clean. So, what was I saying? I don't even know. Oh, Lord. No. That look a little too brown. I don't know. Damn, why is he so big? Is this big or no? Because to me, this is too damn big. How y'all be sucking this? What y'all be sucking out of it? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, y'all could do that. This hoe over here ain't. I don't gotta do everything y'all do. Why I got to be a follower? Why I got to eat that part of the damn crawfish? No, cause bring your ass to LA and teach me how to do this. The text, I just, okay. Teach me, okay? Teach me. Somebody just come teach me. Like teach me. Let me tell you one thing that's bomb. That sauce, I ain't even gonna lick my fingers. It's too much going on for me to be licking my fingers. Potato. Okay, let me reset my camera for up. God damn. I almost bust my ass. What? I was about to say I had to reset my camera. I only record like 25 minutes at a time. And I know this gonna take me more than 25 minutes to eat. Look at, I don't even want to lick my fingers. Like, my fingers look good. Like, all this sauce and junk on them. But I just cannot. I'm going to get better. But that's my thing. I'm going to get better. I'm going to get better, y'all. One day I'm going to be in here it up. But as for right now, this a onion. Let's throw it on this motherfucker. What y'all do with these claws? I know it ain't no goddamn meat in them claws. I don't give a Alright. Dude, he got half a damn body. He is half. Oh no, he just curled up. He curled up. I don't. Look at his legs. I cannot. I'm not doing this. I can't. I'm not sucking no heads. I'm not. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not. Not today. I'm a beginner, okay? I'm a beginner. Let me get away with not sucking the motherfucking heads until... Am I cursing a lot? It's time to become an expert. When I become an expert, I'm gonna be... But as of today, no. I mean, look, let me tell you something. The flavor is good. You know, the flavor of these crawfish are good. Okay? They're good. Look, I done f***ed them up. I only got a few left, which is good, because I'm going to just get better and better and better. I'm going to keep practicing. You know? Keep. This got a lot of seasoning. I bet y'all would really love to suck the head. Should I try? Y'all be crunching on it and shit. No. Not after what I just seen spill out of that shit. Hell no. Nope. I haven't. Let me eat it without the sauce, because that's one thing I haven't done. Oof. Come on. Oh, God. Ooh. Okay. Let's see how it tastes without the sauce. I don't know. To me, crawfish tastes like a shrimp that ain't had a bath. You know, like a shrimp that ain't washed this ass yet. Like if it washed this ass, it would be fresh. But it's... No. But it's funky. You know, like a funky shrimp. That's what a crawfish tastes like to me. But it's good, you know. I mean... It's got a little bit of that country twang, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. No. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You know, it's a good little funky taste. Little funky seafood taste. I would eat some more if I knew how to eat these for real. I'd be going there. Like it'd be good. Like these would be so good. Oh, God dang. Let me peel this off real quick. That I can't do. What was I saying? See, I'm getting a little bit better, right? First, I was scared to even pick this up. Now, if somebody could just bring their ass to LA and teach me, without saying no names, then I'd be good. I'm done. See, I was wondering if I should buy a lot, right? I was like, what the f***? Ma'am, you were supposed to stay in the head. The f*** is that? No. Stay in the head. Oh. I lost damn track of what I was saying. Oh, I was wondering if I should buy some more, right? I was like, maybe I need to buy a little bit more, because the worst thing to do is run out of something while you mukbanging. Well, it really don't matter. It don't matter, ho. I'm not fooling with this shit. It look a mess up here. His head's still on my shit. Look at it up here. It's a mess. I'm about to... Fingers burning from all this seasoning. I'm drunk. I was about to eat it, but it fell in there. Leftover crawfish body. I'm gonna that potato up. I'm gonna eat this last crawfish. And then I'm out. I see the next time I eat crawfish. Ooh, look at this bite. Them crawfish are seasoned for the gods because my fingers taste good. Look at this bite. That potato. Oh my God, the seasoning. Alright, I got one more motherfucking little funky ass crawfish left. I'm gonna eat his ass and then I'm gonna call it a night. The verdict is I need someone to come here, sit right motherfucking here and teach me how to eat. Sit here and teach me how to eat crawfish the proper way, because I feel like I'm not getting the full experience. Should I suck the head, y'all? Okay. Alright, let me go all out. Let me drink this because I only got a little bit left. I'm gonna just suck the motherfucking head. So y'all ready for the show? Oh God. I can't. You the lucky one. You the winner. What these little claws taste like? I'm done. So let's eat No. Never. No. I can't. No. No. I'm dead. No. I can't. I was seriously gonna try, but it ain't enough liquor. Let me say, I ain't gonna say it ain't enough liquor, but I ain't drunk enough to suck the head out of that shit. It's no way. Y'all seen what the inside of a goddamn crawfish head look like? You think my lips about to get on that shit and suck it? No, ma'am. I don't suck nothing that can't pay me. I don't suck nothing that don't cash app me first. Psych. But for real. Yeah, I can't. I'm sorry. One day. But today is not the day. I can't. But I'm done.